Sure, there are Beyblades that could spin steel, and electric Beyblades that can switch directions. But can we make a Beyblade spin just by shooting at it? This has been a project I wanted to work on for a while now, and I've tried airsoft before and was looking for a reason to use it in wintertime at home. Now, in order to do it, I did have to plan it out, and that includes buying a state-of-the-art high-speed camera, a gun stand, and lights. This is a controlled environment I created. Please don't try this at home. I'm not a good shot, so I'm not gonna attempt to free fire at the Beyblade. And I need to be inside because we don't want any neighbors getting scared and calling the cops on me. Plus, I need to record at the same time. The high frame rate camera does not record by itself. Needless to say, this is not gonna be easy. In order to hold the gun for me, I grabbed some spare wood in the garage, some hose clamps, and a couple of screws. For a few minutes of firing an airsoft rifle, I think I did a good job of securing it. I didn't want to do this indoors, and the garage seemed like a good place. But it was too cold, and with winter weather, it was not gonna work. So I moved down to the basement, and of course recruited a special help.
It's live, yeah. And so it's gonna go onto there. Hey, so we're already rolling. We're already seeing if we can actually get it to hit the Beyblade on slow motion
from the top, but we're gonna be in ultra slow motion over here. Whenever you're ready.
Yep, one by one.
And then did you see where it went?
So it did take a lot of tries, and I did change the setup in order to actually see this. Now, this was filmed at 2,149 frames per second, and we get to see that indeed it does spin. We can make a Beyblade spin by shooting at it. Granted, we're not going to use real bullets, because that will probably break the Beyblade. And the last clip I want to leave you with is the burst shot, which is of course when we shot at the Beyblade multiple times and literally made it spin. For me, one of the best moments so far making videos for you guys was making this epic moment with my son, of course. Let me know what you want to see next and what other Beyblade I should shoot at. Nah, I'm kidding. This is the last one I'll shoot at. And there's loads more to come, including Beyblade experiments and more gimmicks revealed in slow motion. Don't forget to write in the comments and let me know if you like this kind of video, if you want me to do more, and if you want to see your Beyblade gimmick revealed. I want to thank you for watching, and a big thank you for the Beykotsky members. And remember, be the best and be yourself. And as always, let's let it rip.